Hey guys, so today I'll be making a meal prep for you. We are in my kitchen. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's a little off. It's kind of cloudy out today. But I'm going to be making Mexican chicken tinga. It is one of my favorite recipes. It's one of my favorite things to eat. I love tostadas. But now that I'm on this low carb, weight loss journey, I try to find ways to still make my favorite meals, but something that I can actually enjoy in healthier ways. So I'm going to be making it in a salad. It's so good. So I'm going to show y'all the simple ingredients that we're going to be needing to make this recipe. So let's start. Some tomatoes that I just roughly chopped up, some onion as well. We're going to need it two ways: thinly sliced like this, and also some bigger chunks that are going to go in the blender with the tomatoes. Our garlic. So all the ingredients are going to be listed down below. For this today, we're going to be needing some oregano, some cumin, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, roma tomatoes, and thick chunky onion. We're going to start putting in the tomatoes into the blender with the onion, the garlic. You can add a little bit of water to help the tomato sauce blend together, and if you'd like, you can also add in your seasonings at this point, but I'll be adding in the seasonings later. And since this is low carb, I'm doing a little trick, just putting a tortilla in some oil, cooking it on low medium heat, just to give the oil, the tortilla taste without having the tostada. So it's just going to give our chicken a little bit of flavor, and I love to do this. I took out the chicken from the fridge. Our sauce is done. I'm going to go ahead and start shredding my boiled chicken, and half of the sauce I'm going to use it in the chicken itself, and then we'll be adding in the chipotle peppers in a little bit. Now we go ahead and take out the tortilla. It's been cooked. Our oil is going to have that maize flavor. I'm adding in my thinly sliced onion, my shredded chicken, and here you can start seasoning this chicken how you'd like. I'll be adding in all the spices that I showed y'all before, which is the black pepper, the salt, the cumin, the garlic powder. So add in whatever seasonings you'd like. This is how my mom made it, and this is the recipe I grew up on. So I just wanted to share this recipe with you guys. If you make it a little different, let me know how you make it in the comments down below. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in about half of the sauce just to get the tomato flavor infused already into the chicken and to get it a little moist so it doesn't overcook in the pan. And then now I'm going to be adding in the chipotle peppers into the blender with the rest of the tomato sauce to make the rest of the sauce for the tinga. It's going to be a little bit spicy the more chipotle peppers you put into it. So kind of keep that in mind that this is a spicier dish. If you'd like to make this without the chipotle, you could. You just have to use more Roma tomatoes for the recipe. So go ahead and add a little bit of water to the bottom of the blender bottle so it can have a little bit of moisture so for the sauce to cook. Add in more seasoning if it needs it, adjust it. Let it kind of cook on medium low and simmer. The longer you let it simmer on low, the softer the chicken will be. Add in some water if it needs to. For this meal prep, I'll be using this packaged salad already. I really like this premium romaine blend. It has carrots and different types of lettuce. And for this meal prep, go ahead and use anything that you like to put on a tostada. I really wanted some queso fresco with this, but I was actually out. So I made the best of it with some Monterey Jack cheese I had. I used some cucumber, tomato, the Monterey Jack cheese, some avocado, a lime, and the chicken on top. It came out to be so delicious. And I also wanted to let y'all know that if y'all have kids or, a husband that doesn't want to eat, a salad or rabbit food. You can also put this in some tacos or a torta and it will taste amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you try it out, I would love to know your thoughts and what you thought about it. And if you make yours different, like I said, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see y'all later, guys. Bye.